Don't send another dime using Cash App before watching this entire video. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy, and while Cash App has become a very popular mobile payment service, the Better Business Bureau has issued a warning about common scams now going around on the app. Here are some of the most common scams to look out for that people are reporting. The first scam, someone will pose as a representative of Cash App asking for personal information or payment. No. Cash App will never ask you for your password or your PIN, so never give that information out. The next scam is designed to trick you into sharing information with an offer of free money or a gift card in exchange for it. Many scammers gain access to Cash App accounts through phishing attempts, such as text messages or emails that appear to be from Cash App but contain a link to fake websites. Scammers have been known to pose as celebrities or public figures on social media and then ask for payment via Cash App in an attempt to trick fans. Don't fall for it. Here are my top tips to protect yourself while using payment apps like Cash App. Number 1, don't keep a balance in your money transferring app account. Number 2, never send money or give your credentials on these apps to anyone you don't know, including anyone claiming to be from the government or the bank. Number 3, look at the security settings in the app and make sure that they're set at their very highest possibility. On Cash App, for example, you can tap your profile here, then tap Privacy and Security to turn on Security Lock, which requires a PIN then to transfer funds from your account. Tip number 4, confirm a recipient's information before you send them anything at all. And finally, number 5, turn on notifications so that you're alerted to activity happening within any money transferring app. For more on the latest scams you need to be watching out for, head to cyberguy.com. And while you're there, sign up for my free newsletter.